So this is what the lace is looking like against my skin. Like I said, I used just the lace tint. Yeah, it's super soft and very full. So we're going to just do a little bit of work. I'm going to use a little bit of holding spray. So I have literally just tried to lay it down just a bit. I think I want to do my makeup. I want to try this straight. Straightens so good. I don't think I'm going to do the bump. I feel like it would have been cuter if it's shorter, but I think I'm just going to do straight. I love the texture of this hair. It straightens so good. So good. You can literally even part it like sideways. But I don't know if I should do like a side part. I feel like doing a middle part today, so let's just stick to doing that. I'm going into a bit of foundation powder and I'm going to put that here. I'm going to do my makeup and I'll be right back to it. So I have finished with my makeup. So this is the finished look. I was contemplating between curling this hair and like leaving it straight, but my makeup is giving 90s fine, so I just figured I'd leave the hair straight. But I really love it. It's very full, very bouncy. Look at the texture, like look at the texture. It's giving silk press. I'm so far away from getting silk press because I have locks, but this hair is giving silk press. I'm so in love with it. Let me just show you guys the back. I feel like I should do like a bump. So I'm just trying to get the bump. As you can see, this side is straight. It responds so well to the heat, by the way. It's so easy to deal with. This is my first time dealing with the Yaki straight hair, and this is my favorite. This is definitely my favorite texture. QTHAIR definitely did its thing with this. It's so nice. I can't wait to experiment with it. As you can see, it's giving silk press. Oh, this is so fun. I love this. I love this. So yeah, this is the hair. This is the 5x5 12-inch from QTHAIR. This is a Yaki straight texture. Definitely glueless. I am an extra girly, so I was in the mood to do extra, so I definitely did that. I actually really love this hair. So I would link all the details to this hair down below. Make sure to check it out. This is from QTHAIR 5x5 12-inch Yaki straight hair. I love it. I'm so obsessed. You guys were right. The bob definitely looks good on me. I want to try like a shorter bob to see how it would look like. Yeah, I think it will look really nice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can't stop combing this hair. I can't stop looking at myself. Make sure to check the description box down below for all the details to this hair. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Take care, guys. Bye.